There's the old pickup. You can see I haven't been out there. These footprints are a couple weeks old. And last time I was out there I didn't start it. I just looked inside to make sure the mice didn't get in the cab. Got my wrench and keys. I think we're going to try starting it. I gotta hook the battery back up and see what goes. So yeah, you can see nobody's been around this truck to start it. Ah, got water in here. And don't smell like rat piss or rat shit. So I have to move that. That can just go up over on the other side of the seat. Whatever. That one can go over there too. Yeah, see that nice cab here. Nice vinyl seat. Top of the line. Hate snow. Now let's see if I can get in there. Oh, rust, junk. Was new panels. These are all new panels not that long ago. Maybe 10 years ago. I don't even know if I can get the hood open. Oh, closed it again. Ah, damn it. I see my fancy setup here to hold the plow up. Ah, shit. Almost as bad as Wild's pickups. Let's see what we can do here. I'm going to set you on top of the cab. Let's see what happens. God damn it all, there goes my wrench. I have to push that snow off. That works. Yeah, that did the trick. Now, that bit of mouse mess was there last time I started it, so that's nothing to worry about. So, doesn't look like there's any mice or cats in it, so could give it a try to start it. Don't know. Gotta check the oil. There's the mountain that come off the hood. There ain't much snow on this side of it. It's all grass under it. Check the oil. Plug. Don't need no stinking plug. Charcoal filter. Smog pump. Come on, go. Full of oil. Doesn't burn a drop. This old pickup always goes. When all the others fail, this one blows the doors off every time. Yeah, 60-gallon tank on the truck, it says right here. Gotta love that. Yeah, I'll get around to that some other time. Now this thing might start, might not. This battery's most likely pretty damn weak. I think Big Scott watches this channel. You ought to like this. And Ray, I think. So we'll see. See what happens. Yeah, you guys, I think you were the two other guys that wanted to hear this thing go. This old pickup probably shut B up quite a bit, I think, Ray. Because, you know, he hates Chevys. They're just big, stupid pickups. Well, in his eyes they are. Not in mine or yours. Okay. Ah, hell, take this with me, I guess. Ooh. Now, let's see what happens. Can't remember how much gas was in this thing, if any. Oh, there goes the rest of the snow on that side. Isn't that sad? Bang my feet off before I get out. Jesus Christ. I think I've gotten bigger around or something since the last time I was in here. I think Benny Boy was the last one that drove this thing. And it was not good. Leave it at that much. Now we're gonna roll. Nope. And there you go, Scott. Just like the brown bear. Except I got that. I get one of them there fancy twin sticks. Ah, yeah, son, bug guy. Anything. What the hell? It was just working. Loose battery connection, I presume. Now, what's going on here? And they're all tight. Should go. Now let's go try it again. Hope this thing don't make a liar out of me. Always did start. Hey, listen to that. Now that's what real trucks are made out of right there, son. It's coming out of the skip and shit. It will after a minute, yeah. Once it starts to warm up a little bit. Oh, might be out of gas.